Hi everyone, once again welcome to my channel to another unboxing video. And today I'm gonna be with my daughter Marusa to unbox this great box right here that just came in 15 minutes ago. I was just literally taking a nap, and the doorbell rang. So this one's really fresh. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright, so this is a box. It's really big, and I'm not gonna talk a lot. Let's go straight to the unboxing while I work on this. It's gigantic. Sorry, it's kind of heavy, so pardon me. There we go. Oh. And there's two packages. Okay, I want to show you how it was packaged. Like, I'm not really sure if I'm liking how Louis Vuitton would like send their packages. Like, I love the boxes. I love their gift boxes. It's just that they don't put like stuffing in it to like protect the boxes from getting ripped and getting, you know, like moving inside this gigantic box inside. So you see the space. They don't put anything in it, and that's something that actually concerns me about. And okay, I don't want to, like, the last video I made, you can see that the box was ripped on this area, and that's something I did not want to happen again. And again, there's nothing in this. And look at this mess. I don't like that. I don't like how they do it. And that's one thing I already raised to them. I don't know why they still do this kind of packaging. It's just not right. And it's just not so Louis Vuitton, you know? Like, you pay something. You pay price for this one. This is a little treasure right here. This is a treasure for consumers, but they just don't realize that it's just gonna ruin. See? This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. I told you, it's ripped. You see that? Louis Vuitton, I love your bags, I love your products, but this ain't right here. And again, I'm going to raise this one to them as soon as I can. Okay, so we got two boxes. Okay, wait a minute. We got two boxes right here. I don't want to ruin the boxes further, so let's take it all. Look at that. Look at the envelope. That's just not right. This is not right, so okay, let's do one box at a time. So okay, I got here a big Louis Vuitton box. See that? Okay, and here's the bigger box. Let me get you closer. That's a bigger box. Okay. And I just want to show, before we even get into the product, into the item inside this box, I just want to show you how the problem that I've been concerning about ever since they've been delivering this Louis Vuitton products. I just don't like it. It's not right. Look at that. Just a proof that you guys are doing not so good when it comes to your packaging, okay? So anyway, as usual, you get to receive this envelope. Look at that. I don't know, it sounds kind of like too shallow, but for me, these things are very important, you know? You need to be careful sending these packages because these are like valuables. So you get the receipt right here. It says Keepall bandolier and Neverfull GM. I got it here. And of course the return voucher right here. And this little card right here, which I did not receive from the last package I had for the eye care and the Zippy XL. I think this is just an empty card right there, so nothing much in this. But I did not receive this one from the last time. Okay, let's keep it all in there. I don't like that. And now let's move on. There you go. Here it is. Let me just move this box somewhere else, then just to protect it. Not to make more damage on it. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry. I got too emotional about that box. But look at this. This is a gigantic... this is enormous. Wow. The dust bag is enormous. And here's the baby. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what this is. But it's a Neverfull GM in monogram canvas with its ever classic vachetta leather right here. Okay, that's the vachetta leather. Let me just show you the full size silhouette of the bag. There you go. There you go. Isn't that lovely? Okay. So inside this bag comes this little pouch right here. A zippy pouch with two compartments. Well, it's actually, this is the main room, and there's a little pocket inside with the tag. Well, with a Louis Vuitton Paris, it says inside there. And there's a little card. Louis Vuitton coated fabric, cowhide, leather trim, man-made lining. So let's keep it inside. This is very nice, actually. This is very nice because the lining itself is very thick, and I like it because it protects. Hi everyone, now I'm ready to open this bigger box. This bigger Louis Vuitton box with this handle is gigantic, and I love it. And I still can't get over from the disaster. The box disaster. It's just kind of irritating, but you know, at least they manage it. It's just that these things could, you know, could be prevented. So this is the bigger box. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? And here is the bag. There you go. Let me just get rid of this box now, before I even get ruined. Okay. There you go. This is a Keepall bandolier 55, which is perfect for traveling. They used to make Keepall to 60, right? Onto 60, but they, you know, like due to restrictions on sizes, like the airports or airline rules, like a PSA, something like that. I don't know much of those things. They discontinued the 60.
They didn't discontinue it yet.
They did. If I'm not mistaken.
She said they're going to.
Oh, they're going to, but I feel like, I think they already did, and this is going to be the biggest of their Keepall. So let me just open it. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. I just love the silhouette. Look at that. So this is a bandolier, Keepall bandolier. That's why it has this support, this vachetta leather support right here on the side to hold the entire silhouette steady. Also, this linings right here, vachetta leather with the D-rings on both sides for the handle. Right there. Right there.
Luggage tag.
Just trying to check. This is what do I call this one? The handle keeper. This is the handle keeper belt, if that's what it's called. Plus the luggage tag. Right here is a luggage tag, which I'm starting to get obsessed about. So now let's open it. Okay, smells so good. It smells so good. So first of all, I got here the tiny dust bag inside, from the inside, and hi Marusa, hi boo. She's watching me do the unboxing. Oh, the lock and keys came in a box. It's just kind of like, how come other bags, when you ship it to your customers, they don't all come in this one, but this one does. It's just kind of like very inconsistent. Just saying. So here's the keys right there. Plus this one. There's the beautiful, oh look at that. Beautiful padlock. Okay, I had no time to focus it, so sorry about that. Okay. Sorry about sniffing. So here is the strap, the shoulder strap, which I am definitely going to be inspecting, because the last strap we received, it was like loosening stitch. It has stitches that was like loose, and reason why I'm sending them back. So far this is really good. That's a gold hardware, the Louis Vuitton logo. Not logo, but the name. There we go.
It's a leather shoulder pad.
It's a leather shoulder pad right here too, to support your shoulder, for like a wider support on your shoulder, and it's also in a vachetta leather. And let's hook it on. Here we go. Well, the inside doesn't have any pocket. It's just one huge space. But I like the lining, very thick. Look at that. What's that inside? Oh no, okay. I thought I saw something. It's on my phone. Beautiful, huge room inside. And I also like that it has this D-ring where you can hook your keys or whatever right there. And there's a code. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Okay. It says SD1138. So that means this bag was made where? SD, let me, SD is made in where? I think that's USA, but I don't know. But this was made on the 13th week of 2018, so it's fresh. This one's really, really new. 13th week of 2018. Very good. There you go. See? Some people likes it like slouchy this way, like it, you know, like its original form. But some people also would put like a base shaper to keep the bottom part like flat and in good shape, which we might consider doing, or you know, who knows. But this is really pretty and really big, and I can't wait to go traveling with this Louis Vuitton. There you go. Okay, but definitely this is a really, really fabulous bag. Can I have the Neverfull there, please? Where's the Neverfull? Oh, right there. Let me just get the Neverfull. So there you go. The two items that just came in today: Neverfull GM and Keepall 55. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Pardon me with those boxes that actually really made me irritable, but I'll be good. And Louis Vuitton will address that, I'm pretty sure. So I love you all, and I love you, Louis Vuitton, so, so much. Bye.